Today, we'll explore 6 incredible fruits that not only combat, but also may help reduce the growth of these malignant cells. 1. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C and flavonoids, which help strengthen the immune system and combat damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, they contain bioactive compounds like limonoids, which have demonstrated anti-cancer properties. Drink fresh orange juice, add orange slices to salads, or enjoy them on their own as a healthy snack. 2. Strawberries, a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Strawberries help combat damage caused by free radicals. They contain compounds like flavonoids, which have demonstrated anti-cancer properties. Enjoy fresh strawberries in salads, mix them into smoothies, or simply savor them as a healthy snack. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Moreover, they are rich in fiber, promoting intestinal health and toxin elimination from the body. Add fresh blueberries to your morning cereal, mix them into yogurt, or freeze them for a refreshing snack. 4. Purple grapes. Purple grapes are an excellent source of resveratrol, an antioxidant known for its protective effects against cancer. Studies show that resveratrol can help prevent the growth of cancer cells and even induce their death. Enjoy fresh grapes as a quick snack, add them to salads, or freeze them for a healthy dessert. 5. Peaches. Peaches are an excellent source of beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help protect cells against damage and neutralize free radicals. They also contain compounds like polyphenols, which have shown to have anti-cancer properties. Add sliced peaches to salads, grill them with a little honey and cinnamon, or mix them into smoothies. 6. Avocados. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, avocado can help reduce inflammation and protect cells against oxidative damage. Additionally, they contain compounds like glutathione, known for its role in cellular detoxification. Make homemade guacamole, add avocado slices to sandwiches or salads, or simply enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of salt and lime. With these 6 incredible fruits in your diet, you'll be taking a significant step towards cancer prevention and combat. So, make the most of these gifts from nature and take care of your health in a delicious and nutritious way. Subscribe right now to our channel.